Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be doing a couple of MOT repairs on this car. Now this is a 2018 Renault Clio and it's failed the MOT on offside front bottom ball joint. Sounds like it's seriously worn or loose. I just hope it's not the pinch bolt. And a drop link, front drop link on this side. So I'm going to replace the ball joint. I'm going to do drop links on both sides. So I think I've got all the bits here. Got a brand new ball joint and a pair of drop links of Bilstein, so decent quality parts. And it's the parts I'd put on my own vehicles. So I'll tackle that ball joint first. That's going to be the hardest. I'm finding myself in a similar situation with Volvo, where I think I'm going to have to take the suspension arm off. So, see, it shouldn't be too hard, it's just a couple of bolts. And I think I can get to them. Or maybe not. I think this wheel arch liner will have to come off to get to that front one. I managed to get a knuckle off the ball joint and just remove the bolts to the strut. So I'll see if I can get this ball joint pressed out. I'm not sure. I don't know how successful I'll be, but got to give it a try. I've just noticed it's all done with a circlip. I don't think I haven't got any circlip pliers with me, so I might have to go back home and get some more tools. This is second time, but I think in the meantime I'll have a go at this drop link. I'll have to admit defeat with the ball joint. Well, for tonight anyway. I might come back to it another time, but I've got that drop link in, so I'm going to do drop link on the other side, and then that's it for tonight. And that's the other drop link in. So I wouldn't recommend using any power tools. Just use sockets and ratchet spanners. They do the trick quite well. And they were quite a quick job. So once the wheel's on, that's it. I'm done for tonight. I don't know if there's going to be an end of video or not. I'm sure you'll find out very, very soon. I've just got back home and I've just jumped onto Amazon and I've bought this ball joint press kit. So hopefully it'll arrive tomorrow. Then I can carry on with the job. And it's got loads and loads of good reviews. So it should do the job. It's now the next day. I've got my ball joint press, so I just need to set it up and then I'll be able to push that ball joint out. So I've managed to get the ball joint press set up, so it's just a matter of tightening up. And just keep going, hopefully it should come out. I've had to jack up the suspension arm to get me a bit of room. Now if I can get him with impact, it might job a whole lot easier. I mean, one alternative is to take the suspension arm off. I mean, that's something to consider. Because I can't get in. So just keep at it. Oh, that sounded promising. I think I just heard it crack off. So I just loosen it up. Oh yes. It's amazing what you can do when you've got the right tool. That's freed it off. So I should be able to knock it out the rest of the way. Oh, that's always it. And it's out. And I've got the new one to hand somewhere. And it's a Febby Bilston part. There it is, a 23996. It's even got the original Renault part number. I don't have access to a parts catalogue, so I can't look it up. So I just have to find the replacement ball joint and get that fitted. So that's everything buttoned up, and it'll be ready going for the retest tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.